What's going on, everybody? Just wanted to show you how I'm updating this funnel. This client has requested that we change some of the fonts on it, and so we're going to go through and do that. And I just wanted to do a quick tutorial on how to update or change the fonts here in the funnel builder. So this is the first page here for the Greater Room LLC. Awesome virtual interior design business. She likes the design and everything about it, but we're wanting to update the fonts. So over here she kind of has some fonts that she likes. So we're going to go in here. We're going to go to custom font. Let's highlight this. Custom font. And let's see if we can find the one. She liked this one. Oh, nice. We like that a lot. That looks really good. And then I think for her smaller one, she liked, let's see here. I can find it. Custom font. I'm going to go to a Google font, and it's called Poppins. Let's see if we can find it. We'll move my face a little bit. Hit P. We're looking for P-O-P-P. Poppins. Nice, that's pretty good. Let's see now if we can just zebra fat face file that. Nice. Alright, well, that, my friends, is how you update the font here in funnels.so. Looks pretty good. If you got any questions, let me know. We'll see ya.